Hello everyone, welcome to July Farm. Today we will explore a juicy berry. Everyone loves the blueberry. I'm sure you have enjoyed delicious blueberries many times before, haven't you? But have you ever imagined a blueberry as big as a ping pong ball? Trust me, I was as astonished as you when I first heard about it. This is the largest blueberry in the world, recorded in the prestigious Guinness World Records, weighing a whopping 20.4 grams. Can you imagine the giant difference between them? It is nearly 70 times larger than a wild blueberry. This supergiant blueberry was grown on a farm in New South Wales, Australia, and its size is comparable to a ping pong ball. Isn't it amazing? And it makes us think, what happens to all the other blueberries, those that don't become world-famous giants? Join us as we take you on an exciting journey, from the fields where blueberries are grown to the processing plants. We will witness the incredible technology and meticulous processes that transform this tiny fruit into the delicious snacks and ingredients we know and love. Get ready to see blueberries like never before. Blueberries have a fascinating and rich history, starting from the wild forests of North America thousands of years ago. Native Americans discovered and used blueberries not only as food, but also in religious ceremonies and medicine. When European settlers arrived in North America in the 17th century, they learned how to use blueberries from the natives, and from then on, blueberries gradually became an important part of the colonial diet. The early 20th century marked a significant turning point for blueberries when Dr. Frederick V. Coville, an American botanist, along with Elizabeth White, a farmer from New Jersey, began researching and developing cultivable blueberry varieties. Their efforts succeeded in hybridizing wild blueberries, creating high-yield, great-tasting blueberry plants. Thanks to this, the commercial blueberry industry began to flourish, particularly in states like New Jersey, Michigan, and Oregon. In recent decades, blueberries have become an international superfood, widely grown in many countries such as Canada, Chile, Argentina, and European nations. Numerous scientific studies have shown that blueberries offer many health benefits, from antioxidant properties to improving memory and cardiovascular health, increasing the global popularity of this fruit. Today, blueberries are not only a beloved fruit in cuisine, but also a cultural symbol, appearing in summer festivals, art, and literature. With recognition and celebration, July 8th has been designated National Blueberry Day in the United States, highlighting the significant contributions of blueberries to the nation's culture and economy. After exploring the fascinating historical journey of the blueberry, let's follow the blueberries from the lush green fields to the modern production processes in the blueberry factories. Now let's head to the vast blueberry fields. Traditionally, blueberries were harvested by hand, a labor-intensive and time-consuming process. While some smaller farms still rely on hand-picking to maintain the quality of the berries, larger farms have shifted to using continuous harvesters to meet global market demand. These impressive machines straddle the rows of blueberry bushes, gently shaking the branches to release the ripe fruit. The berries are then collected on a conveyor belt and transported with the help of farmers. Although this mechanized method offers significant advantages in speed and labor reduction, it also presents its challenges. One of the biggest challenges is minimizing damage to the fruit. Sometimes, the delicate blueberries can get bruised or squashed. Additionally, these machines often struggle to distinguish between ripe, unripe, and overripe berries, leading to inconsistent harvests. Recognizing these limitations, agricultural researchers and engineers have worked to develop improved solutions to enhance the efficiency and gentleness of mechanical harvesting. After being harvested, the blueberries begin their journey through the processing plant. Here, each blueberry goes through a series of stages designed to ensure quality, safety, and ultimately your satisfaction. Upon arrival at the processing facility, the blueberries, often delivered in large baskets, are placed into specialized equipment that pours the berries onto a conveyor belt. The first stop on the processing line is the washing stage, a crucial step in the process. Here, the blueberries undergo a two-part cleaning process to remove any dirt, debris, or foreign matter picked up during harvesting. The initial stage usually involves gentle shaking and sorting. Vibrating platforms or oscillating conveyors effectively screen the berries, allowing smaller debris to fall away while guiding the blueberries to the next step. This stage also provides an opportunity to remove any unripe or damaged berries. After this initial cleaning, the blueberries are then thoroughly sprayed or soaked in water. Carefully calibrated water jets or sprayers are strategically placed along the conveyor to provide gentle yet effective cleaning. This secondary washing stage ensures that any remaining dirt, residue, or potential contaminants are completely removed. Excess moisture is the enemy of fresh produce, and blueberries are no exception. After being thoroughly cleaned, the berries move on to the drying stage, a critical step to maximize shelf life and prevent early spoilage. Large-scale drying systems use a combination of gentle air circulation and, in some cases, soft-touch drying surfaces to remove any remaining water droplets clinging to the delicate blueberries. This process is carefully calibrated to avoid damaging the fruit while effectively reducing moisture levels. Perhaps the most groundbreaking advancement in blueberry processing lies in the integration of cutting-edge technology. Advanced scanners and detectors, powered by AI, have revolutionized the sorting process, offering levels of precision and efficiency previously unimaginable. Berries that do not meet standards in shape, size, color, or ripeness are removed. While AI has revolutionized the classification process, the human eye and expertise are still essential. Before the blueberries move to the final packaging stage, they undergo a final visual inspection by trained staff. These skilled inspectors serve as the last quality control checkpoint, ensuring that no defective berries pass through. This final human touch ensures that only the highest quality blueberries reach consumers. Finally, after this last inspection, the blueberries are ready for packaging. This is yet another area where automation reigns supreme. Complex packaging machines, often integrated directly into the conveyor system, quickly and efficiently fill containers with sorted berries. These machines are calibrated to distribute precise weights of blueberries, ensuring consistency and minimizing product waste. They can also accommodate various packaging formats, from clamshells and bags to larger bulk containers. The labeling process is also highly automated. Machines seamlessly apply pre-printed labels containing essential information such as weight, origin, and any other relevant details. This automation not only simplifies the packaging process, but also helps maintain the freshness and integrity of the delicate blueberries. The final journey of the blueberries. After their meticulous journey through the processing plant, the blueberries are ready for their final destination, your local grocery store, farmer's market, or supermarket. To preserve the freshness and quality of the blueberries, maintaining the cold chain is essential. That's why they are only shipped on refrigerated trucks. Refrigerated, temperature-controlled trucks are suitable for preserving freshness and transporting goods to distribution centers. Finally, be ready for families like yours to enjoy. From the fields where they are grown to the processing plants where they are sorted, cleaned, and packaged, technology is transforming the blueberry industry. These advancements not only enhance efficiency and profitability, but also ensure that we, the consumers, can access the best, highest quality blueberries possible. So next time you bite into a juicy, plump blueberry, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has been on. A journey made possible by the perfect blend of nature's generosity and human ingenuity. Don't forget to support us by hitting the like button for this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming culinary adventures. Every like and subscription is a great motivation for us to continue bringing you more interesting and engaging videos.